The NVMe M.2 Enclosure USB4 is a dual-bay device that offers a hassle-free offline cloning feature, making it ideal for quick data duplication without needing a computer connection. This enclosure is equipped with an innovative cooling fan that effectively manages heat, ensuring the safety and longevity of your solid-state drives. With data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, this USB4 enclosure significantly outperforms traditional models, providing rapid file transfers and enhanced efficiency. The tool-free design allows users to easily install solid-state drives within seconds, thanks to a convenient clip system and a helpful LED indicator that shows cloning progress. Compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, makes this enclosure a versatile choice for various users and environments. The NVMe M.2 Enclosure USB4 supports a wide range of solid-state drive sizes, offering flexibility for different storage needs up to 8 terabytes.